Hi everyone and welcome to my channel La Cuisine de Sophie. So today you're just gonna start by the spices. Take like a container, you can mix everything inside. So yeah, I'm starting by the salt, then the black pepper, some ginger, some paprika. So for this recipe you can have choice doing this all the spices with the chicken like on the morning for the evening or like a few hours before, and then you leave it rest in the fridge, or you do it straight away if you don't have any time. So if you do it straight away, don't forget to put your oven like preheat on 220 degrees, and if you leave it rest in the fridge, of course you're just gonna preheat the oven before dinner or lunchtime. And then some turmeric, and some cumin. And then yeah, I would suggest you to leave it like to rest with the chicken marinated for like, I don't know, minimum like couple of hours. There we go. Then you're gonna add some water to mix it. So not too much water, you don't want it to be too liquid, but you don't want it to be too thick either, so just enough. Mix everything properly. So I'm doing it with water because I don't want to add, too much oil. I know we're gonna add a bit more oil after, so yeah, I think it's better with water. This is more healthy. And mix it just like this all together. Make sure all the spices are mixed. So if there is any spice you want to add or take off, I mean, it's your choice to it. It's alright. For example, if you want to add some parsley or anything else. And then you mix the chicken into the spices. So make sure before you clean your chicken. So yeah, the best is cleaning like with water, then vinegar, then make sure you clean it again after the vinegar with water. Don't leave any vinegar first. But yeah, make sure you clean it before. Really important. And then you mix all your chicken just like this. Just make sure all of them got the seasoning. And then, like I said, you leave it, in the same container, and you just put some cling film on top and leave it in the fridge. So yeah, like a couple of hours or 4 or 5 hours. Just leave it to marinate. There we go. So after you take some potatoes, you do slices just like this. Just go slice the chicken once it's marinated. So in the oven tray, you're gonna put some olive oil, just a bit, you know, like it don't stick to the tray. And then you put the chicken inside. So make sure your tray is big enough for all the chicken. Try to don't put them like on top of each other. So also make sure that if you let your chicken to rest in the fridge like I did, put your oven preheat on 220 degrees. So I'm taking back the same recipient and I'm putting the same spices, actually exactly the same with the same water, everything, for the potatoes. So just like this, and you put them everywhere in the tray. So you can also just do the chicken on the tray and, for example, do like some rice or salad on the side. It's up to you. I'm doing just a bit potato like this and some extra rice. So yeah, just like this, add some olive oil on top. And just, you know, like this, the potato don't dry when they cook in the oven. If you have to, middle like during the cooking time, you can add some more oil on top if you see it's getting dry. So yeah, put it to cook for 35 to 40 minutes, but always check the cooking because it's maybe cooked before. Never know. And here we go. So yeah, after just like this, you see there is a bit of sauce which I'm gonna use on my rice. And here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, don't hesitate to subscribe for some more.